Have a nice one. Yes, sir. I will be here. Have a nice one. The things you see at the car wash. Wait when I show y'all. The things you see at the car wash. You see it? He has a hair mirror for women on his car. That's my man. You see it? Here we go. You tripping or what, y'all? You see it as a mirror. That's how the rich survive. Make your own mirror. Feel me? Here we go. You're hanging out with No Teeth Lou. The things you see at the car wash. Is it ridiculous or what, y'all? Did you see what I see? I don't think so. Let me show y'all one more time before he what. This is a big boy. Can't show y'all that stuff. On the back of that. You see it. We at the car wash. We at the car wash. Here we